Good afternoon. This is Bob from Trade Genius. It's the Thursday, Cinco de Mayo, and today felt like a Mexican afternoon in the summertime. It was dead quiet. In fact, at one point I dozed off watching the market. I didn't really expect it. I thought today would be a little bit more of an up day. It started off higher, but it really just grinded it right back down to no change. That happens sometimes before the payroll report, and I'm not surprised that we didn't sell off, even though the market looks bearish in a way. That because tonight Japan is back in, and tomorrow's the payroll report, and so not too many people are trying to take some big risks. And also we had a little bit of a change. I'll show you in a second. I think in biotech, I think that's bottoming too. So I don't know if that's so much hope that I'm seeing in the charts because I'm long biotech, but it sure looks that way. But just look at the charts here. Is that we're below this neckline, so the one. Let's see if I can slide up the head a little bit here. Is that the 190 199.89 is still in play, and you could probably call this a bear flag, but we kind of double bottomed here too. So there's a couple things to watch to see if this double bottom doesn't hold. Then I think we can. Then it's fair game, and I think we're going to go down to below 200. But my momentum is setting up here again. Just like it did yesterday, and there was a pop. Just like it did the day before, there was a pop. Just like it did 2 days before, there was a pop. So there's some tradable rallies in here if you want to, and you can day trade this, and I do. Most can't. So I can be in, I can double up on my XIV, which I do, and then close it off when we get to the top. Today I doubled up and left it. And so, we're pretty washed out on the intensity. We've been washed out for now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. You typically, these runs are 7 or 8 days. The fact that it's not falling off a cliff, in one sense encourages me, the other sense terrifies me because, maybe the other shoe has yet to drop. But I think a lot of this sell-off here has to do with Japan not being in the market last week. So I want to show you just two more charts. I'm going to show you XPI, and it flatlined today. It's just been dead money, and every rally attempt has been just met with more selling. But it's pretty washed out. We're pretty far below. This channel here is the we're looking at 15 percentage points below the linear regression line. And this is about as far as it gets down when it goes down like this. But if this low doesn't hold, so I put a buy stop into buying more XBI at 50.80 for tomorrow, and with 49.77, 49.80 area here would be my stop. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and then I think this can drop, and then if biotech keeps falling, then I mean, high beta is being sold, and then probably more weakness in the market. What has me interested in, and the reason why I just love XIV is that XIV was up today, and 7 cents, but up nonetheless. And whenever it gets sold off, you can always buy it back, and you can always double up. But you trade this thing on the hourly. It's just winner winner chicken dinner. And so you have again, again, our buy signal coming up. I ignore the intensity a little bit on the on XIV just because of the nature of the beast. But once this thing pushes back above 50, these buy signals will give us some bigger moves instead of just some day trade moves. So anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm going to do some more charts tonight, and just some interesting stocks to watch. I posted some biotech short squeezes to put on your watch list. When this biotech goes, they're all going to get bid just to punish the shorts. I did one on China too. Very interesting. I think it's very, very good trade. In fact, if you're patient, you probably could Pike could sit on a China short trade probably for the rest of the year, especially when we start getting into June, July, and August, September. I think the markets are going to be pretty weak. So I encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channels. They're free. And if you like what you see there, we do a lot more trades on the paid site, and we'd be happy to help you make a lot of money. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.